Hello everyone. Once again welcome to Chiru Academy YouTube channel. Please do watch the video and subscribe the channel for more videos. Today we are having 25 questions on Constitution of India. Let me start. Very first question is fundamental rights are option A justifiable, option B non-justifiable, option C flexible and option D rigid. And the answer is option A, justifiable. The second question is Article 17 of the Indian Constitution deals with option A, education, option B, health, option C, abolition of untouchability, and option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option C, abolition of untouchability. Third question is Article 25 of the Indian Constitution refers to option A right to equality, option B right to property, option C freedom of religion and option D protection of minorities. And the right answer is option C freedom of religion. Fourth question is which of the following rights can be enforced under Article 32 of the Indian Constitution? Option A constitutional rights, option B fundamental rights, option C statutory rights and option D all of the above. And the answer is option B fundamental rights. Fifth question is under the Indian Constitution, who is the guardian of the fundamental rights? Option A Parliament, option B President, option C Supreme Court and option D Cabinet. And the right answer is option C Supreme Court. Sixth question is right to property is a option A fundamental right, option B natural right, option C statutory right and option D legal right. And the right answer is option D legal right. Seventh question is which one of the following writ can be issued by a high court to secure the liberty of an individual? Option A mandamus, option B quo warranto, option C habeas corpus and option D prohibition. And the right answer is option C habeas corpus. Eighth question is by which amendment the right to property was abolished? Option A 24th, option B 44th, option C 25th and option D 42nd. The right answer is option B 44th. Ninth question is which one of the following articles was termed as the heart and soul of the Constitution by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar? Option A Article 14, option B Article 25, option C Article 29 and option D Article 32. And the right answer is option D Article 32. 10th question is which one of the following is not a fundamental right? Option A right to freedom, option B right to equality, option C right to property and option D right against exploitation. And the right answer is option C right to property. 7th question is which of the following is given the power to enforce the fundamental rights by the Constitution? Option A all courts in India, option B the Parliament, option C the President, option D the Supreme Court and High Courts. The right answer is option D the Supreme Court and High Courts. 12th question is when was the right to education added through the amendment in the Constitution of India? Option A 1st April 2010, option B 1st August 2010, option C 1st October 2010 and option D 1st December 2010? And the right answer is option A, 1st April 2010. 13th question is, the word Hindu in Article 25 of the Constitution of India does not include option A, Buddhist, option B, Jains, option C, Parsis, and option D, Sikhs. And the right answer is option C, Parsis. The question is, which article gives safeguard to the fundamental rights of arrested person? Option A, Article 15, option B, Article 17, option C, Article 21, and option D, Article 22. And the right answer is option D, Article 22. 15th question is, which one of the following writ is regarded as the greatest safeguard for the liberty of a person? Option A, mandamus, option B, habeas corpus, option C, certiorari, and option D, prohibition. And the right answer is option D, prohibition. 16th question is, directive principles of state policy are option A, justiciable, option B, non-justiciable, option C, fundamental rights, and option D, none of the above. And the right answer is option B, non-justiciable. 15th question is, which one of the following articles directs state government to organize village panchayats? Option A, Article 32, option B, Article 40, option C, Article 48, and option D, Article 51. And the right answer is option B, Article 40. 18th question is, which article of the Indian Constitution is related to Indian foreign policy? Option A, Article 380, option B, Article 312, option C, Article 45, and option D, Article 51. And the right answer is option D, Article 51. 19th question is, when were the fundamental duties incorporated in the Constitution? Option A, 1976, option B, 1979, option C, 1975, and option D, 1978. And the right answer is option A, 1976. 20th question is, how many fundamental duties are there in the Indian Constitution? Option A, 9, option B, 11, option C, 12, and option D, 20. And the right answer is option B, 11. 21st question is, President's rule can be imposed for a maximum period of option A, 1 year, option B, 2 years, option C, 6 months, and option D, 3 years. And the right answer is option D, 3 years. 22nd question is, the President of India can dissolve the Lok Sabha on the recommendations of option A, Rajya Sabha, option B, Election Commission, option C, Chief Justice of India, option D, Cabinet. And the right answer is option D, Cabinet. 23rd question is, who has the constitutional power to declare a geographical area as a scheduled area? Option A, Governor, option B, Chief Minister, option C, Prime Minister, and option D, President. And the right answer is option D, President. 24th question is, Rashtrapati Bhavan was designed by option A, Edward Stone, option B, Le Corbusier, option C, Edwin Lutyens, option D, Tarun Dutt. And the right answer is option C, Edwin Lutyens. Last question is, the fourth President of India was option A, Sir V.V. Giri, option B, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Option C, Dr. Zakir Hussain. Option D, Dr. Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad. The right answer is option A, Sir V.V. Giri.